Hey there! If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button on our Topictrick YouTube channel. It's the best way to keep up with all our lessons and tutorials, especially if you're diving into mainframe programming with Rexx. All right, today's an exciting one. We're going to write your very first Rexx program on an IBM mainframe. If that sounds intimidating, don't worry. I'll walk you through every step in the simplest way possible. So first things first, on the mainframe, we typically write Rexx programs inside a PDS, or partitioned dataset. Think of it as a folder that holds multiple members, each one like a separate file. You'll usually open ISPF, go to your edit screen, and create a new member with a name like Hello Rexx. Inside that member, just type this, Rexx, say hello, mainframe world. That one line is your entire program. The say command is used in Rexx to print messages to the screen. Simple, right? Once you've saved it, you can run it using TSO. Just go to the TSO command line and type textexec your.dataset.name hello Rexx. Replace your.dataset.name with your actual PDS. And that's it. You've officially run your first Rexx program on a mainframe. Now, just imagine what else you can build with Rexx, from automation scripts to full-blown utilities for mainframe tasks. The simplicity is what makes it so powerful, especially in complex environments like ZOS. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, drop a like and hit subscribe. And don't forget to check out our complete Rexx reference course on Udemy.